Yeah, because of that time change, it's still dark out here, and I gotta go through Spanish Wells to, and it's a small channel. I'm gonna wait for daybreak, so I may be sitting here for a minute, for a while. We are crossing into the Abacos this morning, guys. That's the northern part of the Exuma, of the Bahamian Islands. Sorry about that. So we are crossing over from Spanish Wells to the Abacos, which is the northern part of the Bahamas. And there's hundreds of islands there to explore. A little different than the southern Exuma Islands, but a little bit more, I guess, more commercial.
Yeah, there's more
some bigger
like,
towns. And
yeah, there's more small towns. It's not quite as remote.
now, I'm just putting on my shoes here. It's 6 in the morning, and
It's still pitch black outside.
yeah, it's pitch black. We just gotta get it started out here, though. We got things to prepare. Now the passage is about 50 miles, or
Yeah.
47, whatever. And it's over big water, like very deep water, 11,000, 15,000 feet. And this place, the Abacos, last time we were there, it was just before Hurricane Dorian. Hurricane Dorian devastated, wiped this place out. Anyways, what happened is they've rebuilt over the years, and we're going to go back and check it out. I'm not liking these clouds here, but we're going to check it out on radar and see what happens. Yeah, could get interesting. 7 o'clock in the morning, we're starting our passage.
Here we are, entering the harbor at Spanish Wells. It's early, it's about 7, and there's no movement here right now, thank goodness, because there's not a lot of room for movement. It's a very narrow channel. Very narrow to get out of here, too. But there is a cut that you can go through. You definitely have to be on your toes. This is a lovely place, Spanish Wells. It's changing though. It's a cute little place here. It's very nice. John, turn. Please, pay attention.
The weather's turned last night, guys. It's pretty bad. The winds are blowing over 20 right now. They were harder throughout the night. Clouds are, it's gonna be a shit day. Anyways, we're moving up the chain about a couple hours, 10 miles to a better anchorage. Look at, for the first time, the Navicula has dragged. I don't think the Navicula has ever dragged. We've used several types of anchors, and the Navicula has never dragged. But tonight it happened, and we dragged. We dragged for quite a long time. And here's where the complacency sets in, where we have the equipment to monitor the anchor drag, and we have used it before, but it's been we just got lazy. Anyways, what happened was yesterday and the night before it didn't drag because we were set in with the wind direction, and then the winds changed last night 180 degrees, so the anchor had to reset, and at that point it was already full of grass, and it just dragged along the bottom slowly. And in the morning we heard an alarm. Our people behind us, our friends behind us, they sounded an alarm. They got up and obviously saw the boat was getting closer. I thought we were really close, but we weren't touching, but it was close. Now, what happens is they sounded the alarm, we got up, and of course we had to gather our stuff together and lift the anchor and be in control of the vessel. So we're continuing to go. Now, might as well, why reset? Just keep going. All right. Anyways, that's life on board. Anchor drag. This does not look good, guys. That looks bad. That looks bad. It's not something that we're not accustomed to, but we are exposed. We all are here. Anyways, doesn't matter. We're going into town for dinner and bingo. And let's see how this plays out. I do carry my VHF radio with me all the time, so I'm not going far. I could be out here in minutes, but still, I've left a lot of chain out tonight. After last night's incident, or this morning, I am not taking that chance again. That was almost a disaster. And the people that I almost dragged into, they followed us here to this anchorage, and they anchored behind me again. They want to go for round two. Maybe they're looking for a new boat. A bigger boat. Anyways, hilarious. Here's the oldest operating kerosene lit lighthouse on the planet right now. Yeah, and this thing will be flashing tonight. It'll be working tonight. There's a keeper there that goes up and lights the match and starts the kerosene, and you can see it for, well, I'm always on this side when I see it, so I anchor right in front of it all the time. On the outside here, the harbor's on the inside, and then after that harbor is the Atlantic. So, can you deal those cards out, huh? I mean, I want to play.
Yeah. Okay.
Now,
no problem, but you're too close to me. So
what, to deal the cards?
Okay, yes, I can deal them, but I'm not playing next to you like this, no.
Okay, oh, because you want to cheat.
No.
What's up your sleeve?
You.
Alright. So look at, we're in Marsh Harbor right this minute, and we were over at Hopetown, and we played bingo on Monday night there, which was, it was Monday yesterday? Yeah? No?
No.
The night before.
2 days ago.
Anyways, and then we left to come to Marsh Harbor today. We haven't been here since the hurricane. The hurricane's a big deal for us, guys, because we haven't been here since Hurricane Dorian came through here. Now, if you guys followed the news, that you would know Hurricane Dorian destroyed this place for 24 hours. Just hell came down. And you know what? They've done a great job rebuilding it. I mean, the place pretty rebuilt. I mean, there's some places that aren't here. Right? We discovered that today in Marsh Harbor. Some things have changed in Hopetown. You know what happens, I guess. I mean, not that we're experiencing these hurricanes, but in this particular area, this situation, you see nicer and bigger places being built. Okay, yes. So what happens is a hurricane comes through, and I guess more people want waterfront properties, and people with the money win, right? I mean, I'm not going to say that it's the Bahamians aren't buying these properties.
They're not winning. No.
Well, they're getting the jobs. So the Bahamian government here is pretty, well, we don't know that. I'm not going to say that. Corrupt.
Yeah,
Corrupt. I'm going to say it. Corrupt. But I don't know that, really. Because I don't have the experience.
We don't work there.
I've never dealt with them either.
Yeah.
Well, no, we do deal. When we check in, we deal with them.
And
yeah, they're
everybody
corrupt.
is lovely. They are lovely. When you check in, everybody.
Yeah, but they charge you extra fees. The other day, I got charged tax on gasoline. That's bullshit. Bullshit. I haven't paid that tax throughout the whole Bahamas, and over here, they added tax on top of the price of the gasoline. Well, the tax is already built in. Who the hell pays tax on their gasoline? I mean, we pay tax, but it's already built into the price.
That was a private vendor, though. That wasn't.
I don't give a crap who it was. That's against the law. They're ripping us off.
Yes, the tourists and the outsiders.
I'm not going to squibble about $4 though, guys. I mean, these people are trying to make a living. Things are really expensive here too. I mean, I spent $18 on a hamburger the other day. Okay,
yeah.
A hamburger and not even a half a potato of fries. That's what it came with. Yeah. And it was $19.
Yeah.
American.
Yeah.
I mean, come on. I mean, maybe prices have gone up, and I'm just getting old and really cheap. But I'm telling you right now, things have gotten expensive. You know what? Yeah. So I got to go back to work.
Yes, he does.
All right. So listen, thanks for following. It's been a pleasure. And we're going to continue on this journey until it's over. And we'll let you know when it's over. Because when you see me at one of my favorite places, and the people that have followed me for years on this will know how this ends. So stay tuned.
And hold on.
Hold on for what?
Fino alla prossima volta. Think I said it right, hopefully.
Oh, you didn't.
That is until next time in Italian.
Okay, let me give it a try.
No.
Yeah. So it says here, fino alla promessa volta.
Prossima.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Say it in Portuguese then.
No, I'm trying to say it in Italian right now. Fino alla prossima volta. That's backwards. No. Hey, take it easy. She's I don't know what kind of website she's on. I don't know.
Google Translate.
Bullshit.